So hello guys, welcome to EduKarthik, and today we are going to start with our exercise 11.3 but part 2. So in previous video of this exercise, I have done 3 questions of the starting. In this video I am going to do 3 questions, and in next video last 3 questions of this exercise 11.3. Okay, so let's start. This is question number 4. Okay, over here it is given that there is a right circular cone whose height is 9 centimeter and its volume is 48 pi centimeter cube. Now here we have to find out the diameter. Okay, so here first of all, as usual, we'll write we know that. Okay, so what we know? We know many things. Okay, now that was just a joke. Okay, now we'll do the volume. What we know? According to this exercise and according to this question, we know that volume is given. So we'll write volume, wait, volume of cone equals to 1/3 of pi r square h. Okay, now volume of cone is given to us, which is 48 pi. So 48 pi equal to 1/3 pi r square into h. What is h? H is 9. 9. 3. Okay, so 3 cancel, 16. Pi cancel. So r square equals to 16, r equals to 4. But see, it would not be 4. R equals to plus minus 4. How plus minus? Because because it is a quadratic equation. The degree is 2. If the degree is 2, then the answers will also be 2, which would be either plus 2, either plus 4 or minus 4. But minus 4 rejected. Why minus 4 rejected? Because the radius or the length you can say, or distance you can say, cannot be negative. So it would be r equals to 4 centimeters. Now d equals to 2r. Twice of r equals to diameter. Radius is 4. 2 into 4, which is 8. 8 centimeter equals to diameter. Okay, so diameter of this right circular cone. But basically, before ending this question, I want to ask you that what is a right circular cone? Right circular cone is a normal cone which has radius and height. The angle between radius and height would be 90 degrees. Okay, now let's continue. Now, continuing with the next. Here is given that there is a conical pit. Conical pit means a pit, a hole shaped of cone. Conical shape means shape of cone. So a hole shaped of cone with a diameter of 3.5 meter and a depth. If you like it's inside. So if you take it a 3D version and flip it upwards, so it would be the height, which we say height and depth are the same thing in this question. Okay, and we have to tell what will be its capacity in kiloliters. So taking a red marker, I start. Okay, so volume of cone. Volume of cone. You tell me what is the volume of cone. Oh, you don't know. Sorry. Okay, you will have to study. You will also have to study, or you will be like him. He doesn't know anything. Okay. Now, volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h. See, when I ask you, you will have to suddenly speak. What is the volume of cone? Yes, you are correct. 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Now, pi r square h. So, volume of cone, here we'll put the values 1/3 into 22/7 into r. Radius is not 3.5. See, it is the diameter. So 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Okay. So 3.5, 2, 11. Okay. 11, 33. Wait, one more thing. Into height also, no, I forgot height. 6, 3. Okay. So 3, 3 cancel. Now 3.5 into 11 is 11, 3 is 33. Yes, 38.5 meter cube. Now see, you will think that this is the volume. So what is its relation with kiloliter? See, the capacity of anything is found out by its volume. Okay. So now we have to convert in kiloliter. So you must know that 1 meter cube equals to 1 kiloliter. Therefore, 38.5 meter cube equals to 1 into 38.5, which is equals to 38.5 kiloliters. This is also a very easy question. Okay. You will have to remember the units, or I told you, no, you will be like him. He's a duffer student. He doesn't know anything. Okay. That was the mic was turned off automatically. So now over here it is given that there is a cone which has volume 9586 centimeter cube and radius is 14 centimeter. So here we have to find out its height, slant height and CSA. Okay, so we all know that I'm again repeating, he will have to study. Okay, why? Because he's a duffer student and you should not be like him. See, he eats anything and he got feared of anything. Okay, let me put it back. Okay, so first one, volume. We know that I told you that always you have to apply the formula in this exercise of cone volume only. Volume equals to 1/3 pi r square h. See, he is eating this thing. Okay, I won't let him. He is eating my chain. Okay, so volume is 9586. Let me recheck. Is it 9586? 9856, sorry. Yes. See, I saw it on time. 9856. So it would be 9856 equals to 1/3 into 22/7 into r square. Radius is 14. So 14 into 14 into h. Okay. So now 9856. So when we cancel this off, 7 2 times 14. Okay. 14 to the 28 and 9856 into 3 divided by 14 into 2, 14 into 2 into 22. So 14 into what should we divide? 14. Okay, so 9856 14. 14 5s are 70. Okay, 14 6 times we will have to do. 70, 84. 14 7s are 90. Okay, 14 7s are 98. I will have to keep this duffer student aside. Okay, you sit here. Now, 56, 14, I think 0, 4, 56 here. 704, 704 multiplied by 20, sorry, divided by 22. No, instead of this, we'll do this 352. So it is 704. Now we cancel it with, so 352. 352 into 22, it would be 16. 16. Okay, 16 3 the 40. So if we cancel this, it would be h equals to 48. Okay, now I will have to erase this. Height has been come. This would be answer of first one. Now second one we'll do L equals to h square plus r square whole under root. Height we have just found out, it is 48 square plus 14 square. Radius is 14 under root. This would be 2304. 14 square would be 196. Okay. So if you have confusion, you can just add this thing to this. So 2300 plus 196 plus 4 is 200. You can do this thing, okay? Which would be root of 2500. 2500 root is 50. So L equals to 50. 50 centimeter. Wait, it is looking like so. Okay, now it is 50. Now, CSA equals to pi r L. Okay, so what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into L we just find out 50. So when we cancel this, it would be 20. Wait. Yes, 2 times. So 50 into 2 is 100. 2200. Simple. Very simple. Centimeter. What? Centimeter cube or square? 3, 2, 1. It would be square. Why? Because CS is always the area. Curved surface area. It is not volume. Okay. So, as we know, this video has ended. And we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.